Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a brow routine, and this is also a review because this was my first time using this product, and this is the Essence Baby Got Brow Eye Pencil. So it's a 2-in-1 applicator, outline and fill, and intensify your brow shape. The triangular tip allows for precise application while the spoolie ends blends your brows seamlessly. The color payoff is a natural brow finish. The key benefits is vegan, waterproof, alcohol-free, oil-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. So this is how the product looks itself, and then here is the tip. I am a slim micro brow type of girl. I don't like thick tips, so for me to actually really love this brow product, it was like wow, because I don't like this shape usually. So first I start off by spooling out my eyebrows, and here I'm showing you the tip as best as possible. And you guys, I actually really loved it. It does lose its shape pretty quickly, but I carve out my brows afterwards anyway, so I don't really care anymore about like the sharpness because I carve it out anyways. But yes, so I start at the tail end of my brow and I shape the bottom and the top, and then I fill in. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I don't really have any special techniques for my brow. When I am going in the front, I am picking up the pressure a lot, so I'm barely touching the front, and then I brush it with the spoolie, and then I go back at my tail to make sure that the coverage is really good and that it's darker towards the end. And that really helps with the ombre brow. Literally, I did my brows in like 2 minutes. No joke. And it was insane because I take a while on my brows. So this product, I absolutely love it. And it was a review. This was my first time using it. But I have done my makeup a couple of times after this, and I just keep on going back for this product. So I know that I absolutely love this product. And yeah, it's only $5 too, so go ahead and grab it. It's really affordable. I love it. I even bought some more for my kit. So I bought the same color that I use on my brows, and then I bought 2 other lighter shades. The one downside to this product is that it doesn't come in a lot of shades. I wish it did came in more shades, but majority of my clients have brunette hair, have dark hair, so this product will work well for me. But if you're somebody who has like auburn hair, or well, I guess auburn would be a redhead, you may not find a pencil that will work well for you. But yeah, right now I'm just taking a little bit of micellar water on this lip gloss wand, and I'm just cleaning up my brows before I go in and carve them. If you don't like to clean up your brows with concealer, go ahead and just use a little Q-tip or a disposable lip gloss wand and a micellar water, and go ahead and carve your brows like that instead of using concealer if you want to. I just like my things to look very crispy. That sounded so weird, but yeah, I just like it to look very clean and crisp, so I always go in with concealer. For concealer, I'm using the AOA Studio concealers. I don't remember what shades these are in, but I'm using an angled brush so I can get as close as possible and the most definition. I don't like when I spread the concealer all over my face or like all over my eye. I really like to focus it on the brow area because I use a separate primer when I'm doing my eyeshadow anyways. So yeah, and honestly, this concealer isn't anything special. I don't necessarily really like it, but I use it for my brows just because it has a very medium coverage, I would say, not full. But yeah, I don't like it under my eyes or on my face. So to use up the product, I just use it around my brows, and it works perfectly for that. I don't need to cover so much around my brows anyways. But that's basically the end of the review / tutorial, guys. I don't think I have really much of anything else to say. I do use the Maybelline, I think it's the Brow Sculpt gel for my brows, and I have little baby brows, so that brow sculpt really does nothing for me, but I just like to brush something into my brows, whether it's that gel or I use brow soap. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.